Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today, September 3rd, 2025. The top cryptocurrency news is as follows. We will start today's episode with our ETFs, which on September 2nd, excluding BlackRock, reached $259 million in inflows, while conversely we see that Ethereum ETFs, again excluding BlackRock, are at $135 million in outflows. And let me tell you that ETFs, in total, these investment products around the world have managed to accumulate 7% of Bitcoin in the market. And here's the list of everyone who is buying, not only in Europe, but also around the world. Continuing with the companies buying Bitcoin, we will go to Strategy, which invested another $449 million, and in August alone bought 7,714 BTC. Behind this, Metaplanet plans to increase its Bitcoin holdings to $3.7 billion. What happened is that an extended general meeting was organized so that the company's investors could finally support a change in the company's articles of association to expand its specific shares to $2.7 billion. They have also introduced a new system of dual-class distributed shares, which will allow Metaplanet to attract more capital. Class A shares pay a fixed dividend and are considered safer. There is also Class B, which is a riskier bet but comes with the option to switch to common shares. With this plan, Metaplanet wants to buy more Bitcoin. Moving on to Ethereum, we go to Bitmine, which now holds 1.86 billion ETH, about 1.6% of the total supply. In the previous episode, I said that this company had 5% of the total Ethereum supply, but that was not true. Their goal is 5%. Behind them, Sharplink Gaming has invested another $176 million in Ethereum, and now comes a new player, Yunfeng Financial, a company that invested $44 million in Ethereum, buying 10,000 ETH. It is a Hong Kong-based company and a provider of financial services such as insurance, stock trading, and asset management. The company was founded in 2010 by Mr. Jack Ma, who also founded other big companies such as Alibaba. Through this new player, we also come to CleanCore, whose stock price fell by 60% after revealing its plans to buy Dogecoin. What you see before you is the company's stock with this drop. This is a company that makes ozone cleaning systems and has announced that it wants to become a Dogecoin management company. Let's say that it is the same company where Mr. Alex, a longtime lawyer for Mr. Elon Musk, will be the chairman of the board, whom we have seen in previous episodes of Crypto News. Meanwhile, CEA Industries bought another $33 million in BNB, and now the BNB it holds is $388,888. And to slowly close with these companies, let's go to XS Stocks, a company whose job is to create tokenized stocks and place them on various blockchains. It has just revealed to us that the 60 stocks it has tokenized are on the Ethereum network to attract more people. And since we're talking about Ethereum, let me tell you that the Ethereum Foundation sold 10,000 Ethereum worth $43 million and will invest in Ethereum research and development as well as grants and donations to the ecosystem. We don't know any more details than what I told you. For Ethereum, we're going to go to one of the layer 2 solutions, Starknet, which as I said is a layer 2 of Ethereum whose network went down for the second time in 2 months. The first time the network was down for 13 minutes, and now it's down for 2 hours and 44 minutes. The reason for the network crash and how it was fixed have not yet been revealed. The team has said that they will publish a full report on what exactly happened and how the problem was resolved. Moving on, let's go to World Liberty Finance, Mr. Trump's DeFi coin, which as you can see from the price is not doing well, and they have realized it there. For this reason, World Liberty Finance has proposed a program to allocate all the gas fees so that they can buy World Liberty Finance tokens and burn them to help the price. What I said is a proposal, however, it does not seem difficult to pass. And those of you who are involved in this coin, be careful, because if you bought it or are a part of the pre-sale, there are a lot of phishing scams going on right now, so be careful. And for the last part of our day, we will talk about Avalanche, which has done a very nice partnership with Toyota. Specifically, Avalanche and Toyota are exploring the creation of a new blockchain layer to orchestrate trust and unlock the value of mobility through a blockchain-based intermediary network called the Mobility Orchestration Network. Let's say Avalanche technology can be used to create your own blockchain. This partnership aims to enable secure data sharing for vehicle financing, vehicle sharing, security, and carbon credit tracking, while improving ownership transfer in the secondary market. In the future, they also aim to introduce a fully autonomous autonomous robotic fleet. These are Avalanche's new plans with Toyota. Now it's time to head to our favorite cryptocurrency market, where Bitcoin is at $111,000 and its price is moving while gold has reached a new all-time high of $3,530, as you can see from our chart. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, September 3rd, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only, and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.